The art of prompt engineering. Welcome to the section all about prompt engineering. In this course, you will learn how to get even better at using ChatGPT. So, what exactly is prompt engineering? It's about figuring out how to ask questions or give tasks to ChatGPT in a way that gets you really good answers. Think of it as a mix of art and science, where you learn how to ask questions that lead to the best possible responses. But why is prompt engineering so important? Especially when ChatGPT can answer lots of different questions. Well, it's all about making problem solving, decision making, and learning easier. When you're good at asking the right questions, you get better answers, which means you save time, write better articles, finish tasks faster, and communicate more effectively, whether through emails or in other ways. So, how can you become a pro at crafting great prompts? The key is to be clear about what you want, ask specific questions, and give context for better answers. In this section, we'll show you lots of examples that compare good and not so good ways to craft prompts. Plus, you will get a handy prompt framework in the next lesson. It's like a cheat sheet that helps you ask questions that get precise answers from ChatGPT. It's a practical tool to make sure you always get the information you need. As you keep going, you'll learn some advanced techniques. These include iteration, where you give more context based on ChatGPT's first answer to make it even better. There is also prompt priming, which helps you give enough information so you get the best possible responses. You will also become a pro at the act as technique. This lets ChatGPT act like an expert in different fields, so you can get answers that match specific professions or areas like law, digital marketing, or copywriting. Lastly, the fourth grader technique teaches you how to get clear and simple explanations for complex topics, even stuff as tricky as quantum physics, by telling ChatGPT to explain things like you are talking to a fourth grader. In short, this section on prompt engineering gives you a complete toolkit to make the most of ChatGPT. You will learn how to simplify things, summarize long text, teach yourself new skills, match your writing style, and make better decisions with ChatGPT's help. You will even dive into advanced prompt engineering and fine-tuning. This advanced skill set lets you combine all the techniques and knowledge you have learned to get the best results. You'll tweak your approach based on the answers you get from ChatGPT. As you explore the advanced ChatGPT section, you will discover a world of creativity where you can take your prompts to new heights. To test your skills, there is an advanced prompt engineering assignment with challenging tasks that show you the endless possibilities when you use ChatGPT to its full potential. With this complete toolkit, you are ready to unlock unlimited potential. In the next lesson, you will get your prompt framework, a handy resource to help you craft questions that get precise responses. Get ready for an exciting learning journey ahead. Join us in the next lesson to dive deeper into this transformative skill set.